Hi guys, welcome back to Kuwait Survival Day 27. I hope all of you are doing great. Today didn't start the way I planned. I actually woke up late because I switched off my alarm and went back to sleep without realizing it. When I finally opened my eyes, I saw the time and got shocked. I was already running late for duty. I quickly ironed my clothes, got ready in a hurry, packed everything, and rushed out of my room. I didn't even get time to prepare breakfast today. Guys, I have reached near Lulu Hypermarket. Every time I pass this place, it reminds me of yesterday's shopping. There is always so much activity here with people coming and going. You can see the large parking area filled with cars. Guys, I have reached Asima Mall. Every time I come here, I notice something beautiful. Today, these flower bouquets really caught my attention. They look colorful, fresh, and very elegant. One day, I would love to buy one for someone special. Small things like flowers can make people smile. Now I'm on the first floor. Guys, I have completed my 4,000 steps successfully. It always feels satisfying when I achieve my daily goal. While walking outside, I notice that the workers are again cleaning the business towers area. I really appreciate how clean they keep this place every single day. The roads, footpaths, and surroundings always look well maintained. That's one reason why I enjoy spending time here. Guys, I took a short break and stood near the window. Just look at that building. It's amazing how quickly it was constructed. Kuwait has many modern buildings that are completed in a short period of time. Back inside the office, let me show you my favorite plant. I take good care of it by watering it regularly and making sure it stays healthy. Watching it grow gives me happiness because even a small plant can brighten up the workplace. Guys, finally duty is over. Today is Thursday, which means the weekend has officially started here in Kuwait. After work, I'm walking through the business towers area. Just look at these amazing luxury cars. Porsche, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Tesla, Ford, Cadillac, and even a Tesla Cybertruck. Seeing these beautiful cars is always exciting. People who own them must have worked really hard. Maybe one day, with dedication and consistency, we can also achieve our dreams. Never stop believing in yourself. Now let's head towards Asima Mall again and complete the remaining steps. Guys, this is one of my favorite places inside Asima Mall. On the top floor, they have this beautiful rubber walking track. Walking here feels so comfortable because the surface is soft and gentle on the legs. Since Kuwait is very hot outside, many people prefer walking indoors where it's cool and air conditioned. You can see families, office workers, elderly people, and fitness lovers all enjoying their evening walks. The atmosphere is peaceful, clean, and relaxing. The lighting, spacious design, and modern architecture make this place feel premium. Every day I try to complete my walking goal, and this track makes it much easier. While walking, I feel fresh and forget all the stress from work. Sometimes I wear my earphones, listen to my favorite songs, and simply enjoy the moment. Fitness doesn't always require a gym. Even walking for 30 to 60 minutes every day can improve our health, reduce stress, and keep us active. Consistency is more important than perfection. That's why I enjoy coming here whenever I get the chance. Guys, my walking is done and now I'm going downstairs. Just look at Cinescape. The exterior design is so elegant. I really like the copper themed finish. It gives the building a premium and luxurious appearance. Around the cinema, many coffee shops are busy. Some people are relaxing with coffee, some are chatting with friends, and others are simply walking around enjoying their evening. Guys, let's go a little further. Every time I see Cinescape, it looks more beautiful. One day, I definitely want to watch a movie here. If possible, I'll also make a vlog inside and show you how the theatre looks from the inside. It will be an exciting experience to share with all of you. Guys, while walking downstairs, I saw the 2N coffee booth. I rarely drink coffee from there, but whenever I do, I like their Spanish latte. Still, my all-time favorite coffee is Starbucks. Guys, today I noticed that the Caribou Coffee promotional setup has been removed. Yesterday it was here, but today they've changed everything and added many shopping counters. The mall is very busy with shoppers. You can find a huge variety of perfumes, cosmetics, skincare products and beauty items here. Most of them are premium brands, so they are quite expensive. But the collection is really impressive. Guys, I have come out of Asima Mall. Today's walking session is complete. The weather is still sunny and very hot. Look at these pomegranate trees. They look beautiful with so many fruits growing on them. Now let's continue walking towards the bus stop. Guys, I finally reached the bus stop. Now I'm waiting for bus number 16, 15 or 102X. Let's see which one comes first. Public transport is an important part of daily life in Kuwait. From far away, I can already see a bus approaching. Guys, finally bus number 16 has arrived. Let's go back to Khaitan. The bus window is very dirty today, so the outside view isn't very clear. Instead of showing unclear footage, I'll continue the vlog after reaching Khaitan. Guys, I have finally reached Khaitan. Every time I get down here, I see these birds. They don't greet me with words, but somehow they make me feel peaceful after a long day. Now I still have around 1,500 steps to walk before reaching my room. So let's continue. Guys, I have finally reached my room. Just look at today's sunset. The sky has turned a beautiful red color. It looks so peaceful. Today I also heard the sad news that a Nepali driver passed away in Kuwait. My heartfelt condolences go to his family. Life is very precious and we should value every moment. I sincerely pray for peace everywhere in the world. Kuwait has always been peaceful and I hope it remains that way forever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next vlog. Bye bye, take care and have a wonderful day.